Uh, so we have seen this chart earlier also, right? So basically this is gold chart, and this is the structure right now. Yeah, so this was a breakdown, right? From here, this was the pattern, and this was the pattern breakdown. And after the breakdown, in most case, what happens is it goes into a consolidation. So that consolidation can happen in the form of this structure. Uh, we can identify this structure using Wyckoff, and it can also go like continue to go down like this. It can it can continue to fall like this, right? Or it can form a pattern like this, consolidation. Either consolidation phase or a like straight line, something like this. So but we saw this pattern here, and using Wyckoff, we were able to identify what's going to happen next, right? So, so this is the plotting we do based on Wyckoff theory, and if we are able to identify the pattern, in that case, what we will do, we are able to identify if it is going to move up or go down. Since there is no nearby support, right? So, as per my assumption and based on the theory, I told that this should go down, and this is what has happened. Uh, it has broken down of this box, and many people assume that this is the support, right? Many people thought that it will reverse from here, but based on my studies, I told that this will further fall, and that's what happened. Similarly, in the case of silver also, same thing happened, right? So this is silver, and here also after the breakdown, there was a consolidation, and after the consolidation, it's still in consolidation phase, yet to go down, just like gold. But as per the structure, we can assume that it should fall down. Uh, so there's a long way to go, but yeah, we have to wait and see what happens in this. So any questions regarding gold and silver? Hmm. Okay, so there are two things. Uh, Firstly, so if somebody is not aware of all these things, right? If he is new to like trading and technical analysis, they will assume on the safer side they will assume that there is a box, right? And the uh, movement is like something like this. So on the upper side there is a resistance, on the lower side there is a support. So if resistance is broken, it will go up. If support is broken, it will go down, right? That's what happens in a consolidation or box pattern. But in this case, what we are assuming here is there is no nearby support. For any box pattern to reverse, first criteria, I mean not compulsory, but it's one of the criteria that uh, there should be a nearby support. So that's what happened in the case of, one second, this was small caps. Okay, so this was the, okay, let me take some other example. one is reflex. Okay, yeah. So this is example of error flags. So this is one accumulation. Okay, after accumulation happened, it went up, stage 2. Then distribution happened and went down. Again accumulation happened, moved up, distribution happened, came down. Again accumulation happened and it's moving up. So thing is, uh, so the assumption of having a distribution is near the resistance, and assumption of having accumulation is near the support. So this was the support, and we can say that accumulation can happen near the support. So this is what happened here. This is what happened here. Another example being Acme Solar. So if you remember, I shared this chart somewhere when it was here, and I drew this green line, green box here itself, um, even before like this pattern happened. So I told that the next accumulation can happen somewhere here because there was a support here, right? If you can see this and this, so it was a strong support. So the accumulation happened exactly at this point, and near the resistance. So this was the resistance, and here this happened. Uh, Distribution happened. So that's what, based on this, we can say that this is not a accumulation. Either it can be accumulation or distribution, right? Distribution means negative, bearish, accumulation is bullish. So in this case, we can assume that it's a redistribution because there's already a distribution here. So and it was very short, right? So as I told in the last previous session that big players need some time to change hands. So they could not do it here, so they are doing it here. So based on this assumption, we can say that um, uh, the pattern is bearish and it can go down. So that's what has happened in this case. And similarly, in the case of silver also, it might happen like that only. Yeah. So, so as soon as this was broken, it went into um, bearish zone and it's still in. And the next support here in this case is somewhere 168 to 150, but it's a long way to go. It may find some support nearby also, I mean in between also, but uh, if it comes somewhere here, it's a good buy. Yeah, any other questions regarding gold and silver? If not, then let's move towards small caps first. So, in short, this small caps is still in consolidation phase, right? And it is yet to move up. So today we saw some movement, but still this has to break for confirmation. Basically, this blue line, it has to break this for clear uptrend. That is somewhere near 18,000. It is now at 16,000, so long way to go. So we still have some time. Let's see. And support could be around, so it has touched 15,400. Below 15 it will go in weak zone. So yeah, let's see what happens. So basically what is happening is In coming days, we may see one sharp decline, sharp uh, bearish candle like something like this before moving up. So we may see that. That could happen, but not compulsory. Similar to this, the last time it happened was in the previous instance here, sharp decline and it moved up. So here also we are seeing similar thing, but we have to wait and see. And Nifty also same. So it has moved inside the safe zone for now, and the candle was good, but still, considering the war and other factors, we have to wait and watch. Any questions regarding the indices? Okay, so moving to the sectors which we can focus on. Uh, let's go through some of the sectors. Nifty metals. Okay, so Nifty metal has bounced from support. This is weekly, this is daily. So it has bounced from support, and if you check the long-term chart, yeah, it's still in uptrend. So metals we can focus on, but not like we have to check the apart from the sectors, we have to check if there is any pattern in the individual stocks. If there is no pattern, or like the setup is not good enough, then we can avoid. Next is Nifty energy sector. So yeah, so this is a big resistance. It has not yet cleared it. So it attempted many breakouts like this one, but it failed here also. Uh, yeah, so unless and until it crosses this, we have to wait and watch. So once it clears this, then we can focus on energy stocks. Mm, okay, this one, PSU Bank. After this breakout, it went up. So still in uptrend unless it breaks down from this trend line. Uh, it's safe to like go with these stocks, PSU stocks. Nifty Auto. Okay, this this structure doesn't look good. Yeah, even this is still above the trend line, but somehow this structure doesn't look good to me. Yep. One thing is the divergence on monthly, so that is bad. So if it falls below this, then it can give a sharp decline. So you have to consider that. Pharma is something like many of the stocks are doing good lately, but again, even this is in consolidation. So to be on the safer side, you can wait for the breakout confirmation, right? FMCG. This doesn't look good. So it's kind of given a breakdown of this. Yep, doesn't look good. FMCG and what else? Realty. So I'm checking the long-term chart first. This will give an idea about the uh, like longer time frame trend. So if you can see from COVID low, this has given the breakdown and retest, and it's continuing to go down, right? So even this doesn't look good for now, and also there is a structure breakdown also. Yeah, so this looks weak for now until it goes up, right? So defense. Okay, so even defense uh, it had given some breakout, but it failed here also. Yeah, until it crosses again, we have to wait and see. Healthcare, just like pharma, it's in consolidation. Yeah, so in most of these cases, as we have seen, uh, some of these sectors are in consolidation. In that case, what we have to do, we have to wait for the clear breakout, right? Then we can focus on that particular sector, and those sectors which have given breakdown, we have to ignore for now, right? Even if the stocks are doing good, right? If sector is not that looking good, then in that case, what will happen is uh, the stock may uh, in the breakout of the stocks could fail, right? So we have to check the sectors also along with the stocks, individual stocks, if we are trading in those. Any questions in sectors? Anybody any questions?